Hey everyone, welcome back. If you're diving into crypto in 2025, you might need to transfer your Dogecoin from one wallet to another. Today, I'll walk you through sending Dogecoin from Trust Wallet to Arculus Wallet step by step. This is a simple process, but always double-check everything to keep your assets safe. Let's get started. First, make sure you have both wallets installed on your device and that you have some Dogecoin in your Trust Wallet. Open the Trust Wallet app and navigate to your dashboard. Look for Dogecoin in your list of assets and tap on it to access your balance. Next, switch over to your Arculus Wallet. This is where your Dogecoin will end up, so go to the Receive section and select Dogecoin. You'll see a unique QR code and address generated. Just tap to copy the address. Pro tip: always verify the address to avoid any mistakes, as crypto transactions are irreversible. Now, head back to Trust Wallet. Tap the Send button on your Dogecoin page. Paste the Arculus Wallet address into the recipient field. Double-check that it's correct, maybe even scan the QR code if available. Enter the amount of Dogecoin you want to send. Be mindful of network fees. Dogecoin transactions are usually cheap, but leave a little extra to cover them. Review all the details on the next screen, including the total amount and fees, then hit Confirm to broadcast the transaction. Once sent, you'll get a transaction ID. It might take a few minutes to an hour for the transfer to confirm on the Dogecoin network, depending on congestion. You can check the status in either wallet. A couple of quick tips. Use a secure internet connection, never share your private keys, and if you're new to this, start with a small amount. That way, you minimize risks. And there you have it. Your Dogecoin is now on its way to Arculus Wallet. If this tutorial helped, hit that like button and subscribe for more crypto guides. Drop any questions in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and stay crypto savvy.